Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize the website on Ecwid for books and literature business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do is start for free. So get started free. Now it will take you to the dashboard. Wait a few seconds. So as you see here, this is the dashboard. So click here, set up your website in the storefront, and it will take you to the editor page. So click on the settings, go to the templates, and select the templates here, the templates you want to use. So for the books and literature business, I'm gonna choose services. So isn't here, the topic isn't here, so you can choose just any template or any topic and edit it from your website homepage. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. So the first thing here you have to do, go to the header and change your site or add your site name here, your site business. Here you can customize or manage the menu item, and the design here of any section you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive. To anyone can visit your website and attracted to your business or your services. So don't forget the simple details like the font, like the size, like the color. Okay, you can add the frame outline here to make it more attractive, and the background. Okay, just like this. So let's move on to the next section. So here you have to add your subtitle and the description. So for example, the description, you can introduce your website or your business. Welcome to our site for books and literature. Okay, just like this, just a simple description. Design here you can choose your favorite one. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the store. Here the title, choose your favorite one. You can use this featured product. So here in the store section you have to create your product. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services, and now click new product here. Here you have to add your product gallery, the name of your product, the REF, the weight on kilogram. You can customize the prices options and the description of your product. So for example, for the books, can go here and select or search on the books and literature. Okay. So you can choose one of these images here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. Okay, save it, go back and click here. You can add more one or more, two more or three more images. That's it. So if you're done from here, you can go back So if you're done from designing displays, go back to the store section and complete here the design of the product and the title. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section. So here you can add the tagline and attractive description. Of course you have to change this one here. An attractive description, here in the image, go here and select one of these images here. So I'm gonna choose okay, I'm gonna choose this for example, or this. So if you're done, go to the design and choose your favorite one. Okay, I'm gonna choose this design here. Now let's go back and let's move on now to the next section, short description. So add the title here and the subtitle, and don't forget this the description. The design, the same thing as normal, nothing special here. Choose your favorite one. The contacts, you can use this description here. We are always happy to see you. Okay. Here you have to enter your business address. You can enter the exact postal address or the plus code. Okay. Also you have to add the daily hours. And don't forget to enter the contact information, your email and your phone, and the social profiles. And the design, choose your favorite one. I'm gonna choose this of the map here. The color, choose like this color here, it's more attractive. The last section here, the footer section, you have to enter here your company name for the copyright, and don't forget to design this section. So that's it. So if you want to add something, you just click here add section and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. Okay, so that's it. If you're done from designing your website, you can publish your website now, and it will be published. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Ecwid for books and literature business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.